everyone, this is Kay. Today I'm sharing something special, a real-time live trade by my own Ichimoku strategy called KTS I took inside of my private community. Many YouTube viewers ask to see how I actually make decisions, not just theory or backtestings, but also the real-time process behind the entries or stop loss and the risk management and how I manage my psychology while markets moving. And of course, this is not the financial advice, but I hope by watching my thinking process, you can take away some insights to improve your own trade execution and mindset. Inside of my communities, which are KTS Master Community and Global Training School Mentorship Program, I do more in-depth live analysis, trade planning, and weekly forecast sessions to help members develop consistent trading habits. If you enjoy this video and you want to learn more in real time, you're more than welcome to join. I'll share more information at the end of this video. Alright, so let's jump in. So the only pair we can trade at the moment is the USD-JPY. So let me double check the higher time frames situation again. So let me just put one time frame and I screen from the weekly time frame. When weekly is trending, I place 3 positions and 3 stop losses and 3% risk per trade. Okay, so seems like weekly is not trending because Kijun-sen is within the Kumo and Kumo is not twisted bullish yet. So if you remember, USD-JPY has been resisted by the descending trend line and seems like now it's breaking bullish, which is a good sign. So that the next target, simply by looking at the previous high, is 158.84 and now it's 154.12. So we have more than 700 pips of room to trade, 770 or so, which is quite massive. So USD-JPY looks nice to trade. And let me check the daily time frame. Daily is bullish and now it's breaking the resistances. There are 2 touches previously and now it's breaking. So that's nice. And let's check 4-hour time frame. Okay, 4 hours is also bullish as Kijun-sen angle is up, Senko span AB both up, and Chikou span above the candlesticks. And let's see what confirmations we have. If you are on the PC or phone and watching this live stream, can you please mention what confirmations you are finding in this situation? You can type on the chat. Okay, so yeah, USD currency strength is now 16 and JPY is minus 76. So the difference is much more than 40. So this is, the momentum is great versus the prices are going up. So yeah, this is divergence. That's a great call. Yes. So this gold cross is trustable. So that's one of the entry confirmations. The price may go up this way and you may feel FOMO, but it's also okay. This is only start to share my analysis or the weekly forecast on Sundays or Saturdays maybe. But for now, I really wanted everyone to focus on the psychology part, and that's why I wanted to share those videos for now, and with some Japanese sayings or Japanese proverbs in it. You don't look at the lower part. When it's downtrend, it's vice versa. In 5 minutes, when you happen to open the market, and when you are here, this wasn't squeezing yet, because upper part still same direction towards the major direction. Now band squeezing is happening. Let's see. Yeah, now band squeeze is happening since upper band is now squeezing. Okay. Let's see. It's reversing now. Good entry point. If you can find 3 confirmations, then yes, you can enter the market. I'm only focusing USD-JPY to trade. Okay. Inside breakout. Yeah, we have inside at the moment, so let's wait for the breakout, and that's one of the entry confirmations. In this case, I see N wave as here, starting from here to here, and retracement. This is the potential new N wave, So in this case, I want to see if this bounce is trustable or not. I was about to enter now, but I want to discuss entry confirmation, so I won't yet. So I take the Fibonacci from here to here like this way. And now, yeah, you're right. This is 61.8% bounce because the invalidation of the Tokyo box is when the price gets into the Tokyo box, then exit. So this is SL. If we enter buy now, then this is invalidation. So, okay, the trend line bounce. Okay, the trend line bounce is also nice. I can see that there's a trend line like this way. We have more than 3 touches. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like the 4th touch. So this is also valid. Okay, doji breakout. We have like multiple dojis. But so far now, I don't see any doji breakout. Let me see. What else do we have? Support, resistance, breakout, and retest. Yeah, that's exactly right. Resistances are now becoming support. This is what I call reversal line. So I can see already that there is a strong support zone around this area. When the market breaks here, then you have 3 invalidations. Again, one is the invalidation of the trend line, and second is the invalidation of the Fibonacci. So this is where you're gonna exit the trade manually. This is going to be your 50% to your stop loss, 50% to your stop loss. So your stop loss will be here in this trade, and this is your entry. Okay, looks like as per the strength chart, now JPY is becoming strong. And that's why 1 minute is slightly going down. But USD is nice. USD is still bullish. So if JPY becomes weak again, then this pair will be bullish. And as per 1 minute, looks like it's retracing. So let's see. Let's wait. So let's see if it breaks around 153.88. If it does, then no entry. If the market breaks here, then I will stay away. I will come back maybe in a few hours. So I wait for the 5-minute time frame closure now in 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, so if I'm already in the trade and 5 minute will be closed 153.8, if the market closes below that level and you have that those are invalidated. So that means once they expand and once the market starts to band walk towards the major direction, then it goes really faster. So band squeeze is actually one of my favorites. It's like, so that once it breaks, then it goes really fast. So actually that's one of my favorite patterns. Favorite confirmations. 1 minute is about to break the resistance again. Let's see. And this is perfect timing to enter the market once it happens. Looks like 5-minute time frame is closing with a bullish bar. The bar becomes bigger because that's a breakout of W bottom and the range in 1 minute. Okay, now I enter the market. USDJPY, place 2 positions on 153.979. 979, and my stop loss is going to be 36 pips below. Okay, I will share the screenshot later in Discord with this video so that you can watch this over time. And the strength chart, I think the strength chart already moved, but yeah, let me just take the screenshot, or maybe other currency strengths as well. Okay, I will share this one too. Okay, let's see. I entered and my heartbeat go up so also. Okay. Yeah, but at least you're trading with me together, so you should be feeling safer. If you lose, we all lose. Okay, please mention a stop loss point. Stop loss is 153.616, the previous low on the 5-minute time frame. Over time. Not only one trade. If you continue like this way, with this discipline, then yeah, in the long run, you should be able to run profits. We have new N wave. That means the market is going towards our direction on the 5-minute time frame. So you can move the stop losses higher. So let's see how this one goes. Again, we have a big news coming up in almost 1 hour from now. We have news CPI in Germany and Europe. So hopefully we can set break even before the big news. But if you cannot, then I recommend to exit the trade manually and come back after news. Okay, Lucas says, we exit how long after news we can look for entry? Okay, now stochastic gold cross is about to happen. We didn't have to take the gold cross, like additional confirmation after entry. I actually mentioned it in Discord today, but there may be some gap between Friday, Monday, and there also may be there may be some the spread increase on Monday. So I think if you run 30 pips at least running profit on Friday. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you have a great day. I hope we all run some nice profits on this one, USDJPY. So let's see how it goes. Best wishes. All right, thank you so much. See you next time. Stay gold. So let me show you what happened after I took the trade live the other day. This is the private Discord group where members can only access, and I post my trade screenshots here. And so that was USDJPY. I took the trade on the 30th of October. And let me show you the screenshot when I entered the market again. I entered the market on 153.979. And I put the stop losses on 153.616. That was a 36 pips of stop loss. And after I took the trade, the market went towards my direction. This is the screenshot from MetaTrader, the trading platform I'm using to execute the trades. So once the market goes towards my direction, I move the stop losses, which were here originally, manually to here, the swing low on the 5-minute time frame, so that my risk becomes smaller in this case. Originally, I took the risk of 2% to the stop loss. So let's say if the market goes down all the way to my original stop loss, I lose 2%. That will be 2% drawdown. But by moving the stop loss manually to closer to the positions like this way, then this is, even if the market goes down, I won't lose 2%. I will lose around 1% or could be less than 1%. So this is part of the risk management that is very important with my strategy, KTS. So this is a screenshot when I moved the stop losses higher as I monitor the market. And after that, the market went towards my direction. So eventually, the previous stop losses were moved above my positions like this way. So this is what I call break-even line. After I set break-even, then I will never lose. Even if the market goes down all the way, in case anything happens, but I won't lose because stop loss will hit and I will exit with break-even. And if the market goes towards my direction continuously, then I simply trial profits. So as soon as you move the stop losses to break even like this way on this screenshot, your trade will be secure and you will never lose. This is where you have break even or win game, which is the most important part of my strategy. So after this, I leave chart for a few hours. And then the market went towards my direction continuously. So I moved one of the stop losses to here. And second stop loss still on the break even, and I keep trading profits. If the market goes this way again, then I trail continuously until the market stops bullish trend. So this is the combination of Ichimoku time frame and multiple time frames, and plus entry and trail and exit in the lower time frames. So that's how I develop my own strategy, and I have been using the strategy for many years. And actually, you can see the trader performance every month on YouTube. So you can also refer to it and what kind of performances I had until this summertime. So that's how I took the trades. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you a valuable lesson in terms of how I approach the live trade, from timing my entry to placing my stop loss to managing risk and emotions along the way. And this workflow is exactly what I teach inside of my KTS Master Community, where I host live sessions and chart reviews, and at Global Trading School, I provide deeper private mentorship to help traders build discipline and consistency. If you want to study with me directly or take your trading beyond YouTube and into a structured learning environment, you'll find the links below. As always, please trade safe and stay disciplined, and please remember, strategy gives direction, but mindset carries you to the goal. I'll see you in the next one. Stay gold. またね。